Hi guys, this is Jessica, your moderator with Disability Resolution. So in my previous video, I asked you guys if there were any certain topics or videos in particular that you wanted me to pass down to Attorney Hnot to discuss with you guys. Well, I'll be doing that again here today. So if you haven't had the chance already, go ahead and comment down below and give us some new ideas to work with. So what I did was I took down my top 5 from my previous video, which I will go back to. So at my number 1, I have a benefits payment query, how to get one and why we need one. Number 2, disability SSDI/SSI and child support. Number 3, survival benefits for children who have lost one parent. Number 4, are there any legal ways to invest when you are on SSDI or SSI? And then at my last, how likely is it that a person will have a CDR at different ages or with different disabilities and levels of education? So I'll go ahead and I'll pass those down to Attorney Hnot. You guys go ahead and comment down below, give us some new ideas, leave us some great feedback, and also please tell us what is your favorite Attorney Walter Hnot video. We'll love to know. So that is it for now, you guys. You guys have a great day.